Hi, welcome to Mr. Rhino 3D and another short tutorial on modeling. Today we're going to model a parametric tower. I started by creating a circle, then I added a box using a rectangle. After that, I used the shell tool to add a hole in the box and included some small details like glasses for enhanced results. By incorporating these small objects into the block, they will be helpful for any future details that may be needed. Next, I utilized the polar array function to copy the box 20 times and set the Z offset to 3.5. I grouped these elements together and then used the polar array tool again. This time copying 17 times with a Z offset of 0. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please let me know by leaving a comment below and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.